Hey everyone, I was looking at your ELA e-learning menu and I know one of them asks for you guys to listen to a story or read a story and then draw a picture and write a sentence about your favorite part of the story. So I thought I would share one of my favorite books with you guys. This is The Bad Seed, and this book is written by Jory John and illustrated by Oswald. This is the front cover, back cover, spine, and the title page. Great job. Alright, The Bad Seed. I'm a bad seed. A bad seed. Oh yeah, it's true. The other seeds, they look at me and they say, that seed is so bad. When they think I'm not listening, they mumble, there goes a bad seed. But I can hear them. I have good hearing for a seed. How bad am I? You really want to know? Well, I never put things back where they belong. I'm late to everything. I tell jokes with no punchline. I never wash my hands or my feet. I lie about pointless stuff. I cut in line every time. I stare at everybody. I glare at everybody. I finish everybody's sentences, and I never listen. And I do lots of other bad things too. Know why? 'Cause I'm a bad seed. A bad seed. I just can't help it. Sure, I wasn't always this bad. I was born a humble seed on a simple sunflower in an unremarkable field. I had a big family, seeds everywhere. We found ways of having fun. We were close. But then the petals dropped and our flower drooped. It's kind of a blur. I remember a bag. Uh-oh, I think he turned into a sunflower seed that you can eat. Everything went dark. And then, a giant I thought I was a goner. I thought I was done for sure. I screamed and I hollered, ah! But I was spit out at the last possible second. I flew through the air and I landed under the bleachers with a huge thud. When I woke up, it was dark outside and a wad of gum had softened my fall. I felt okay, but something had changed in me. I'd become a different seed entirely. I'd become a bad seed. A bad seed. That's right, I stopped smiling. I kept to myself. I drifted. I was friends to no one and bad to everyone. I was lost on purpose. I lived inside a soda can. I didn't care, and it suited me. Until recently, I've made a big decision. I've decided I don't want to be a bad seed anymore. I'm ready to be happy. It's hard to be good when you're used to being so bad, but I'm trying. I'm taking it day by day. I still forget to listen, and I still show up late, and I still talk during movies, and I do all kinds of other bad stuff. But I also say thank you, and I say please, and I smile, and I hold doors open for other people. Not always, but sometimes. And even though I still feel bad sometimes, I also feel kind of good. It's sort of a mix. All I can do is keep trying and keep thinking, and maybe I'm not such a bad seed after all. Hey look, there goes that bad seed. Actually, he's not all that bad anymore. I heard that. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed this book. I love it. It's one of my favorites. If this isn't the book that you choose to write about or draw about, that's okay. This is a great read aloud for you to listen to. I hope you guys are having a great day. Miss you and love you.